Welcome everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to add two imperfect squares. Okay. Now for that, what happens in this case is, see, basically whenever you have something like this, okay, you need to write the imperfect square in terms of perfect square plus or minus something. Means if you look at 50, 50 is very close to what? 49 plus 1. Similarly, 48 can be written as what? 49 minus 1. Okay. Now, why am I doing this? See, whenever you have an imperfect square, your entire job is to convert the number in terms of what? 1 plus x the whole raised to half. Okay. And this then eventually can be written as 1 plus x upon 2. Now I'm sure you all must be getting confused. So let me just explain you how do we do this. Okay. See here I can write this as nothing but what? 49 plus 1 the whole raised to half. Similarly, here also I'll write 49 minus 1 the whole raised to half. So see, the raise to half is almost there for us. Now we need to write the entire equation in terms of 1 plus something. So for that, you need the 1 over here as well as here. So what will happen in this case is I can write 49 outside. So this will now actually become, wait, 49. Okay, and now if I've taken 49 out, I'll be left with what? 1 plus 1 upon 49. Everything is still raised to half. Similarly, here also we will have 49 outside the bracket. I'm left with what? 1 minus, again 1 upon 49, right? And everything will be still raised to half. This is very, very important for you all to remember. This method, students, this method or this particular logic is supposed to be applied for every time whenever you want to find the square root of an imperfect square. Okay. Now, those of you who are getting confused, why did I do this? So please understand this is your reference point. Okay. And those of you think I've done something wrong, please open the brackets and you will see you're getting this particular step back again. Okay. I hope this is very, 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 very clear to everyone. Now, before going ahead, I want to remind all of you all that at the end, I'm going to put up a DIY question whose answers you all can mention in the comment section. Okay, now going back, see, understand there is that whenever you deal with indices, no, see, indices, logarithms, all of them have their own set of rules. Okay, so similarly, see, a into b the whole raised to m can be expanded as nothing but what? A raised to m into b raised to m. So this can now be written as what? 49 raised to half. Okay, raised to half, and this will now be written as what? 1 plus 1 upon 49 the whole raised to half. Similarly, here also I'll be writing what? 49 raised to half minus, sorry, no, there is no minus involved here. We just have a bracket which is 1 minus 1 upon 49 the whole raised to half. I hope this is very, very clear to everyone. Okay. Now, what happens over here is, see, 49 raised to half. Please, this is something which is important for everyone to know, that a raised to half is nothing but what? Just root a. Okay. So this is nothing but what? Root 49. Okay. And here you're still left with what? 1 plus 1 upon 49 the whole raised to half. If you remember, I had explained this. This is in this term. Okay, I write it over here again. So whenever your entire question is coming in terms of 1 upon x or 1 upon plus minus x the whole raised to half, it can be written as what? 1 plus minus x upon 2. Okay, so here this will be written as what? 1 upon 49 into 2. Okay, similarly, 49 raised to half can be written as what? Root 49. And this will be now 1 minus 1 upon 49 into 2, the whole raised to half, can now be written in this particular format. See, those of you who do not remember this, solving this particular question will become very, very difficult for anyone who would forget this particular step. Okay, this is extremely crucial for anyone who is solving this question. Okay, so now root 49 is nothing but what? 7. 1 plus, we'll keep 1 upon 49 into 2 as it is. Similarly, here also you're getting 7. 1 minus 1 upon 49 into 2 as it is. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll take 7 outside the bracket. So I'll be left with what? 1 plus 1 upon 49 into 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon 49 into 2. So this now becomes what? If you see this and this is cancelling. So your final answer is coming out to be what? 7 into 1 plus 1. That comes out to be 7 into 2. Final answer is coming out to be 14. And when you actually start doing this in calculator, okay, you will see the answer for this one is coming out to be very, very close to 14. It is 13.999. Okay, so please remember, whenever you are coming across something very difficult, okay, you just have to solve this in this particular format. Okay, here also a lot of people thought that we have root 50 plus root 48, so let's add them, and people thought that the answer was what? Root 98. That's absolutely wrong. Okay, see, this could have happened only when you have root 50 into root 48. Okay, then also here what you could have done is what? You can take the root common and multiply two things. Please understand, you can do the multiplication two things together, but if you have a plus over here, then in that plus or minus, okay, plus or minus, in that case you have to follow the rules which I had just explained. Now obviously you might be wondering what is happening for root 50 divide by root 48. In that case, yes, you can do this. You can put everything under one root. Okay, the only thing never that can never happen for is for plus and minus. Whenever you have a plus and minus, you cannot do directly addition or directly subtraction. For that you would have to solve this individually. Okay, now coming to the question of your DIY, I want you all to tell me what will be the answer. I'm just going to give you an imperfect square. Okay, so please tell me what will be the root of, let's say, 105. Please tell me your answers for this one in the comment section. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.